Well, well, would you look at what we have here? Greetings, welcome back to Pink Oddbird. This is just a super quick video just to let you know that I have more of these stuffed envelopes back in my Etsy shop. These are going to be all that I'm doing for these particular stuffed envelopes for this Halloween season. They are perfect if you want to add them to a Halloween junk journal that you might be working on, or if you want to give the October daily a shot. It will also be perfect for that. So again, the contents of them are pretty similar to what they were before. Lots of tags, some book pages, charms, as you see, with the little skull and the candy corn. Super cute. They are all mostly the same as the original ones that I did, but some of the fabrics are different, so I will just kind of show you the fabrics in one of them. So you still get all the trims, the little rhinestone bag. These are the ruffles. And of course all of the tags in the back. You have the candy corn, that's a different fabric than I used before. The coffin tag. The embossed little tag, and this embossed tag with the 3 charms, the mummy tag that's made out of sari silk. This is a different fabric also. It's the witch's fabric, the collage tag, and paper tag. That's a different fabric, the ghost. Little candy corn. This fabric is different also. I found this super cute fabric and I was able to make the cutest tags out of these. Before I forget, I want to give a big thanks to my mother for helping me put these together. Thanks, Mom. So cute. I absolutely love that fabric. Here's another one from that fabric. Isn't that so cute? The Halloween trim and the tarot card. This is what this envelope looks like. The spiderweb fabric on the front of these is like the actual spiderweb part is kind of velvet and it's got orange sparkles in it. And then of course in the back you have all the other goodies back here. The googly eyes, the satchel of owl punch outs, the little wax seal envelope, a little tag, the vintage book page, treat bag, and a file folder with a spiderweb die cut. So yeah, they are back up in my Etsy shop. So if you'd like, the link is down below in the description box. Go take a look and grab one if you want to. Alright everyone, that's going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.